Well, I saw your question about how do you find these x-intercepts. So you're given the equation. What are the x-intercepts? Well, they're the points where the graph crosses the x-axis. So you can see it's -1 and 5 by looking at the picture. But how do you find it algebraically? Well, on the x-axis, the value of y is 0. So in the equation up here, in place of f of x, you'll put 0 and then solve that quadratic equation. And so if I do that, you'd have 0 equal to quantity x minus 2, closed quantity, minus 9. And so I just put in 0 here for f of x. That's the y value, and then we got to solve this. How do you solve this? There's different ways. We covered earlier in the semester how to solve quadratic equations. Since we have a perfect square here, I'd use this, the easiest way is use the square root property. I would add 9 to each side and then apply the square root property. So it'd be plus or minus 9, square root of 9 equal x minus 2. So plus or minus 3 would equal x minus 2. So x minus 2 will equal positive 3, or x minus 2 will equal negative 3. Then you just add 2 to each side, and you get the two answers here. You add 2 here to each side. And this gives you 5. This gives you -1. And that's what you see here, -1 and 5, and the y value is 0. Of course, we put in 0 for y at the beginning. Hope this helps.